I'm gonna go feed them to Laura's chickens. So now I've got everybody's attention. Look. Is it good? Oh, now. Y'all want some more? Okay, well, hold on. Let me see if I can find. Look here, here's one. Come on. Here. Come on. Well, come get it. It's a juicy one. Here. Hello, Mama. There you go, baby. You got it? Did you get him? Ah! Get it, baby. Y'all come here. Get it, baby. There you go. There you go. Don't let them take it away from you. Here, come on. Y'all want one? Got it.